Today in this video, I'm gonna explain how to update old iPad to iOS 14, 15, 16 or 17 easily. If you want to update your iPad feature, you need a computer to update your iPad. Use a USB cable to connect your iPad to your PC. Download and install the 3U Tools software on your PC. You can find the download link on their official website. Links are provided in description below. Once installed, launch the 3U Tool software on your PC. After launching 3U Tools, connect your iPad to the software by following the on-screen instructions. Once connected, you will see the full specifications on your iPad on 3U Tools. Number 1. Jailbreak. Click on the Jailbreak Now button in 3U Tools. Follow the prompts to initiate the jailbreak process. Make sure to select the appropriate jailbreak available for your iPad model. After the jailbreak process is successful, go to Settings on your iPad. Then navigate to Profile Management and trust the jailbreak app. Install the PhoneX app on your iPad. This will be used for jailbreaking. Open the PhoneX app and start the jailbreak process. Your iPad will restart automatically after the jailbreak is successful. After restarting, you will see the CDA app on your iPad. Launch it. Upgrade the essential components to enable jailbreak features within CDA. Go to the source menu in CDA. Click on Edit and add the URL provided. This will allow you to access additional features. Use the search feature in Cydia to find and install the Eclipse Dark Mode tweak. This tweak adds a dark mode feature to your iPad. Number 2. Medusa for iPad. Install the Medusa for iPad tweak. This tweak enables slide over and split view features on your iPad. You can make the iPad a multitasking exclusive feature for all iPads. Now you can make the iPad a multitasking at the same time. It is absolutely best tweaks for all iPads. Please install Medusa for iPad on your iPad. Speed Intensifier. Search for and install Speed Intensifier. This tweak speeds up the performance of your iPad by optimizing system animations. CC Settings. Search for CC Settings in Cydia and install it. This tweak allows you to customize the control center on your iPad. Spin Settings. Search for and install Spin Settings using Cydia. This tweak adds a spinning effect to the settings icon on your iPad. Harbor. Search for Harbor and install the tweak. This tweak allows you to place a large number of icons in the dock on your iPad. Iconizer. Search for Iconizer and install it. This tweak gives you full control over the appearance of your Springboard icons. You can customize your icons instantly. You can customize the color of a size or more the icon, and also you can add the animation to the icon such as border filter and many more. That is all in one tweak on your iPad. Zen HTML. Search for Zen HTML and install it. This tweak allows you to add widgets to your iPad similar to iOS 15. While these are some recommended tweaks, you can explore and install more tweaks based on your preferences by researching on Reddit or other online forums. By following these steps, you should be able to update your old iPad to iPad OS 17 and enhance its functionality with various tweaks and modifications. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and comment down below. If this worked for you, thanks for watching.